Hi everyone, welcome to my vlog. I'm going back home to the Philippines today and I'm at Cameroon Airport. Medyo nawawala-wala ako because there are no clear signs or labels along the way. And if there is, it's in French. Grabe. Yung pagkain na pinadala ng French teacher ko para sa pamangkin niya. They were asking me 5,000 CFA for that one. So, mga $6 or $7 yan. Then, yung wood ko naman na upuan was another 5,000. Kasi firewood daw yon na pinutol. Kaya sabi ko, pwede discount. 5,000 na lang kasi yun lang yung pera ko. And nag-agree naman. So I just paid 5,000 sa anong tawag doon? Kalimutan sa customs. So yun. Tapos yung porter ko was another 3,000 CFA. Mga $4 yun. Tapos, yung pagpa-wrap naman ng ano ko, ng wood was 10,000. Special wrap daw kasi. 10,000. Diyos mio Marimar. Let's see kung pagdating natin sa Pilipinas, mag-extra akong bayad nito. Kaya, watch out.